Hey everybody, welcome to Ross Ranch. We're going to do a little science today out here on the ranch. We've got Abe, my big helper. He's going to help me. I'm going to put Abe down for a minute. Alright, there goes Abe back to his friends. So we took a lemon, typical Meyer lemon we grew here on the farm. And you can see where I ran my copper studs with my zinc hooks, and I attached my red for hot and my black for negative. Now what's going to happen is that the zinc and the copper are creating a reaction within the acid of the lemon and are essentially polarizing in there. And then as I touch the two pieces to steel wool that I've got here, and we'll see if this works because my wife only has the soap sud soaked steel wool. I'm going to use laundry lint as my tinder. For those of you that don't know, if you're not from the country, lint is actually one of the best tinders you can use, better than toilet paper that was on the other video. And we're going to see if we can't spark up a little bit of fire down by the lake. Personally, I like to use flint and steel. But for this science experiment, this is what we're going to do. See if we can't make a chemical reaction, give us electrical current, make a little flame. So I will meet y'all down by the river, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, here we are down here by the lake. We're going to get you an angle where you can see a little bit better. And I've got my wires touching my steel wool. They're getting a little hot in there. So I'm going to pull some lint out. See if I can't use my lint to create a little smoke. Alright, there's a little bit of ember. See it, but it's burning. I had to turn it off for a minute because we had some difficulties. But I'm going to see if I can't make burn up a little bit more. What I am going to do, because my lunch depends on it, is put y'all on a pause for a second and get this fire going so I can cook my hot dogs, and I'll be right back. Alright, I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out of there from the screen or not, but we've got a little bit of fire going, thanks to our lemon invention. One thing to note if you're going to do this project is to make sure that your studs, both copper and zinc, are pushed down far enough to actually get in there and get into the acid and make a reaction. All in all, it's a good fun experiment, and I think I've got more smoke than I got flame, so I'm going to tend to this fire, and that way I can eat lunch before I got to go push the cows over to the next pasture. Anyway, y'all be good. God bless America.